In this video, we will show the 4 easy steps to get your PLC or Ethernet device connected over the Stride SiteLink VPN router. First, you'll need to navigate to the Stride SiteLink website. Now you'll need to create a new account. So click down here to register a new account. Fill out the information on this page and be sure to use a valid email account, as you will receive an activation notice to this address. Once you see this message, you'll need to access your email account to complete the registration. Click on the link in the email, and then I'll take you back to the Stride SiteLink page to complete the activation. Now log in with the information that you entered previously. Here you can see that there isn't any devices listed yet. We will need to configure the router before it can be displayed here. This configuration will need to be transferred to the router via thumb drive like the one included with the router. To configure this router, click here and select Tools. Now click here to start a configuration. You'll be asked to verify which company to use. You will then be asked which style router you have. This video is for the wired version, but there are videos specific to each of the other styles, and the links for them can be found in the description below. So I'm going to select wired, and you'll need to know certain things about your network setup to complete this configuration. This will be the network example I'll be using in the needed information. You're now given the default configuration for IP addresses of devices on the router, DNS, and the digital input. If you want to change any of these settings, you can do so now by selecting Show More, or you can also change the settings for these after the initial configuration from this website. Now you're asked to provide the LAN side IP address of the Stride VPN router. This will be the IP address shown here in the example. Click Next, and then click on Download. This will place the file at the default download location on your PC. Your file name should look like this. If your PC placed any numbering in the name, please remove. Now you'll need to copy this file over to your USB thumb drive, then plug it into the router and power up the unit. When your router is connected, open up your SiteLink account, and under Devices, you should see your router in orange. Click here and activate. You will then be prompted to give your router a name. Once activated, it should show as green, which indicates that it is successfully connected to the VPN cloud. To connect your PC to this VPN network, you'll need to download the VPN client. So navigate back to the Tools menu and select to download the client. Once downloaded, install it into your PC. The last step of this setup will be to connect your PC to the Stride VPN router through this client. So navigate back to the Device menu and then select your router. You will also be able to change settings to your router remotely without having to reload from a USB drive. To initiate the actual connection to the router, go to the Info tab and then click on Connect. Then you'll be asked to open up the client. From now on, this will be how easy it is to establish a link to your VPN router and become part of the network remotely from around the world. If you have any questions about the Stride VPN router, please contact Automation Direct's support team during regular business hours. They'll be glad to help. Click on this video to learn more about Automation Direct's many support options. Click here to learn more or see more videos on our many products, and be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.